everyone. Today I would like to talk about a specific subject, which is how to design a rich multimedia learning experience for product training. Product training is very specific because you are really huntering not only on the description of the product, but the process of creating this product, and can be very technical for a watch or for a sneaker, a shoes. That can be very, I will say, very tricky to get into the process and to really clearly explain, what are the specificity, what makes this product special. Also, you want to make sure that all the information that, again, can be very technical and very lengthy, can be memorized. So for that, you need really to create emotion, and you also need to bring multimedia into this learning experience, learning process, because you want to make sure that you are not repetitive and you are kind of creating a very various experience with audio, with graphic, interactivities, and video content. So let's dig a little bit more into this process. Alors, as it's technical, I would recommend as a satellite information to create a complete glossary. So any technical words, expression can be highlighted in your LMS and give a clear definition. There's nothing is left and people don't have to come back with questions. Everything is has been considered. Then after, to consolidate the experience, you've got a library. So make a good use of the library, because in the library, you can have various documents that can help to the learners to deep research into the subject. And also, for the just-in-time learning, having the possibility to have a quick access to a document can give it very specific information on the product. Of course, make sure that everything is mobile friendly. The document, usually you need to have to make sure that the platform you are using enable you to attach the document to the lessons. So around the lessons, you can have chats, discussions, and documents that can be open. Document can be also a video. Then I would recommend you to invest time into coaching and communication. It's not because your learners are online, they have to be left alone online. It's always be good to interact with these people, to chat, to open discussions, and when needed, to lead these people to a live session where they can ask questions, and you can then after start brainstorming, and you can also give you good information what needs to be updated, what needs to be amended and improved. Always room for improvement. So don't be scared of that. The other advice that I really, I really strongly recommend is to use micro-learning, of course. Let it make it obvious that you won't deliver a 20 slides course, but little chunk of information, that it's easier for the learners to move from one step to the other one. But it's to embrace as also nano learning. These little breadcrumb of information that will constantly come to remind the learners about this and this topic, very important specific information, has a huge added value. The other things, which is for me one of my favorite subjects, it's the video-based learning. You need really to embrace video. The benefits of video for teaching are huge. And you have such a wide variety of video format. You can have a video format, video assessment, You can have a video quiz. You can have interactive videos, screen recording, and of course, live session where you can record the discussion and then push them into your platform for people to review or discover for the first time if they miss a session. Video is very kinetic because first of all, you have a face, so you really relate. You can create animation for complex information and transform them into very digest and easy to reach data. So video have like many advantages and benefits. So this is it. This is really the tips I could give you today to create a rich multimedia learning experience for product training. Thank you so much for your attention and looking forward to talk to you to the next training session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.